Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to get a custom cursor on a Windows 11 and for attend the same process in 2025. So I show you the two methods and I hope so you like that video. So first of all, we use a Microsoft Store and it's the easy method for you. So search with the cursor and enter, and here it is the custom cursor. Okay, that's the app, very important. Click on it. Now there's the install, it's already installed, so you have the option to get. So then click on get button and then it's automatically installed. After installation you need to be search with the custom cursor, and that's the app which is installed already. So click on it, and here you see the different materials or custom cursors which you can choose. Okay, there's the home, more cursors option. When you click on more cursor option, then the window web page is open. So maybe I think so I like this one, so I click on add. So it is added on the app. I need to be click on this window icon also. Now this is added on our window right now, and then apply. Now that is the custom cursor is apply automatically. That's the easiest and most usable function for you. You can also upload your cursor here and then easily use it. So I show you the second method. For the second method, you need to be open any kind of browser, and in the browser you need to be write down Windows 11 cursor and GitHub and search it here. Now you see there are the lot of results which you see. This is the Windows 11 cursor, and that's also the Windows 11 cursor. So I click on it. So now this is the Windows 11 cursor, and you see these have the dark and light mode files. It's mean they have the dark and light, and how you can use it now we see here. Click on this code button and download zip file. Now this is the file which we downloaded, that's the Windows 11 custom cursor. Click on it and extract it here and extract. Now that's the all light or dark, you can choose from here. So I choose the dark, the regular one, and in this I choose this one. So you can click on install. Okay, if in your case it's not installing in that way, don't worry, I show you the other method also. So for this thing you come here in the custom cursor app, which I already show you. Okay, but I show you the more legitimate method. Okay, search the mouse here and come in the mouse setting. In the mouse setting, scroll down and click on this additional mouse setting. In the additional mouse setting, click on the pointers, and in the pointers you have the different schemes. So you choose the noun. In the noun you choose the normal select. In the normal select we replace the different cursors which we want here. So in the normal select I choose this normal select, and then I choose browse, and I go on that cursor which I want to be added here. So in my case it is in the desktop, in the downloads, Windows 11 cursor. I choose the dark, regular, and this classic, that one, and then open. Now it's added here, and simply clicking on apply. Now it's applied. So in that way you can add the custom cursor, and I hope so you like this video, and also share with your friend which want to be understand how the custom cursor they can use on the Windows 11 in 2025. I see you the next time.